Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Essence Stones in Whiteout Survival. Are you looking for a quick guide how to use Essence Stones in your Whiteout Survival game? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so once a mythic hero gear reaches level 20, you have the option to enhance its strength using Essence Stones. So Essence Stones is to upgrade your hero gear once you hit level 20. This enhanced process known as Mastery Forging involves using Essence Stones to improve your mythic hero gears. However, you can only perform Mastery Forging if your furnace level 20 is high or higher. If your furnace is level 20 or higher. So it becomes unlocked. This feature becomes unlocked once you hit level 20. And how to get Essence Stones are among the most challenging items to obtain in Whiteout Survival because of the massive power boost they offer. So the way you can get Essence Stones is through bear hunting events, Frosty Fortune event, Tundra Trading Station, Mystery Shop, Foundry Shop, and the VIP Shop. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.